Welcome to Greenon Energy. In this video, we will learn how to order solar plants for your homes. To know about your solar requirements, you can go to our solar calculator here. Here you have to select your state. For example, we choose Delhi. Now you have to enter your monthly electricity bill here. We enter Rs 5,000. Now this block is for your residential or commercial use. After choosing residential, click on calculate. The solar calculator will show you all the relevant information. For a bill of Rs 5,000, you need 6 kilowatt of solar plant. It will require 600 square feet and the cost will be around 3,60,000. Your yearly savings, lifetime savings, internal rate of return and return on investment are all mentioned here. To buy the solar power plant, you can go to the shop menu here. The search filter here helps you find the product that you need. Now for 6 kilowatt on-grid plant, choose on-grid plant type. All the on-grid plants will be shown to you. Now if you want to buy on-grid polycrystalline panels, click on polycrystalline. Now all the on-grid polycrystalline panels will be shown to you. You can see the 6 kilowatt on-grid plant here. Clicking on it will show you all the details about the product and what you will receive. You can also see the warranty details here. To buy this product, you have to add it to the cart. Now click on View Cart here. The cart will show you all the items you have added. Now if you have any coupon code, you can add it here. The total price is shown here. Now click on Proceed to check out. Here you have to enter all the billing details. You can use the social login here as well. After entering all the details, you have to click on this and this here and place the order. The transaction page will now show. Here you can see all the payment methods available. You can use credit cards or debit cards. You can use your wallet or net banking or UPI. We also have the EMI option for you as well. Choose your preferred payment method and place your order today.